Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for your Sync-Up True Wireless Twin Speakers, brought to you by Maxell. These speakers can be paired together, or you can use the master speaker separately with solo mode. Long press the play-pause buttons to turn on your speakers. Once powered on, the speakers should automatically pair, and you will hear a sound indicating that they are connected. If they do not connect automatically, double-click the M button to make sure you are in true wireless pairing mode. Your speaker automatically starts in Bluetooth mode, so open up your Bluetooth settings on your device and select Sync Up TW SPK. Another sound will let you know that you are connected. Next time your speaker or speakers are powered on, they will automatically pair to your device. Take note of which speaker the sound comes from when you connect because this is your master speaker. This is important for when you want to use your speaker in solo mode, which will only work on your master speaker. Another way to tell your master speaker from your secondary is while they are not connected to Bluetooth, the master speaker's LEDs will continue to blink while the secondary speakers will stay solid. When connected, both will begin to blink again. Your speakers come with a number of other functions. For example, if you have audio files on either a USB device or micro SD card, you can insert them in the back of your speaker and the files will automatically play. Once removed, your speakers will revert back to Bluetooth mode. The back also contains a micro USB charging port for your speakers. Use the included plug to charge your speakers, and thanks to a split design, you can charge both your speakers at once. Red LEDs on the back will indicate that they are charging, and these lights will go out when they're fully charged. We also included a built-in microphone in case you wanted to answer calls on your speakers. If you want to take your speakers on the go, your speakers come equipped with slings for easy carrying and travel, as well as a rubberized design to help protect against damage. That's it, now you're ready to enjoy your new speakers.